hard shell, but it's a soft case. So the unit itself, there's weight to it, but it's not super heavy. So 12 volt, 2000 amps. Specs, 59 watt hours. And there's a light on the top. 2 USB-A's, USB-C, and then a barrel connector. This one here is where the booster connects. Very large pins connect for the booster. The nice thing about this is it would be lithium, of course, so it would last. It seems to be already has a fully charge in it, which could be useful. This is quite impressive. So this connects to the battery. Oh, okay, so it uses a drone style plug. These are over 100 amp connectors. So this is the boosting unit here. What really impresses me is the alligator clips are huge. Very nice quality. Silicone wire, 8 gauge soft. Plug that in there. Okay, that's ready to go. And it will start boosting the battery. It comes with a 12 volt accessory plug that has a barrel connector on it. I really like that. Plugs in there. And now I have my 12 volt auxiliary plug. Then it comes with a USB C cable for charging. So there's the specifications. Before using this, I'm going to charge it. That's the best thing to do. Okay, this has got to go down flat. In like that, or it won't close. There we go. So I'm going to let this charge, and then I'm going to test it out. The battery in this ATV is completely dead. So I hit the starter button. It's completely gone. The battery needs to be replaced. It's seized in there. I'm going to have to cut the bolt off, grind the bolt off to get it out. But I've been pull starting it for a while now. But I want to try the booster. Okay, so there we go. Blue. I'm going to attach this to the battery now. These are designed, all the plastic corners are designed so that it can't touch. So I'm going to clip this on here. I need a good connection. The battery is completely gone. Okay, so now, right away, I heard it click. The light is on perfectly full brightness. It's green right there. Oh, wow. Well, this thing is cranking faster than it would with a new battery. Wow, does it ever crank fast? There it goes. So it says to take it off. Of course, it's just an ATV, so it's not really a high load. It works absolutely perfect. So I have this little 80 watt inverter. So there's the inverter. Plug that in. So it'll run the inverter, this inverter 7.5 amps. Probably max out this unit because it's only rated at 6 amps. This one is the 2 amp, 2.1, and then this one is the quick charge port that will provide about 18 watts. I have a film light here, little meter in the blue port. Turn it on. Okay, and then turn on my film light. So the film light is on, and it's showing the wattage that it's drawing right there. Okay, it's 3.5 amps. It's jumping around over 3 amps, so it easily runs that. And then it also has a flashlight. Okay, so there's the flashlight. All right, so the flashlight is usable, and it's not bad. It could actually be used as a work light. So if I hit the button again, then there's the SOS. And then hit it again, and that's the flash. This is going to last a lot longer than any lead acid booster. Handy unit to have. So all in all, it works well.
This review is for a ProSafe 12 volt jump starter. Okay, and it says it's for engines up to 7.7 litre gas and 6.5 litre diesel. Most people in the UK have cars that are around about 1.5 to 3, so it should start most UK cars. I know in America they have much bigger vehicles. So let's see what we get inside. We get a pretty good carrying case, so you can keep it in the back of your car. You get a USB charging cable. You get the item, the battery, and this piece of gubbins here that connects into there, and then these connect with the correct polarity onto your battery. You also get this, which is a cigar lighter adapter. So if you want to run anything that uses a cigar lighter, this adapter will do the job. So that's a little extra. You also get, here we go, a USB blue, a USB normal, and a USB-C, so that you can use it as a power bank. And this is 16,000 milliamp, I believe, milliamp hours. So it's really quite a powerful one. You'll get lots and lots of stuff charged there. And very usefully, it's got a torch. So if you keep this in the back of your car, it will save you lots of problems. I already have one of these. It's a lower power model, so I was pleased to get the opportunity to have this to take its place. And it's already got me out of trouble 2 or 3 times. So they work really well. Do follow the instructions. They are clear, but there's quite a lot going on, and you do need to keep the instructions with it. So I would recommend everybody has one of these, just in case you turn up, you've been to the airport or something and your battery's flat. These really do work, so I'm giving this 5 stars.